Yo, what is up everyone? I just wanted to make a quick video on how to use Pandabuy for anyone that's new. Just wanted to go over all the, functions of Pandabuy and how to find items, how to order, how the warehouse works, how to ship. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is make a Pandabuy account. So I have a link in the description that will take you to this page, and you're just going to want to sign up with your email. Make sure you use an email that you use. You'll get a verification code, and then you'll be on this screen with you logged in. So the first thing you'd want to do is go to Fashion Reps, of course. This is the biggest Reddit for all fashion reps, everything. And also I'll include a spreadsheet of items that I have. This is my personal spreadsheet. I have a bunch of items on here, over 100 items, and you could find something that you like. So for instance, let's say we want to get an item off of Fashion Reps. So let's say that we'd want this chrome heart long sleeve. So we check it out, okay, and then all we would have to do is copy link address and then paste it inside this search bar, click search, and it'll be right here. Okay, so once you're on the product page, you can select your size and the color that you'd like, and then you just click agree and then add it to your cart. So once you have your item added to your cart, then you can go ahead and go over to your cart, select the item that you'd like to order, and then click submit. And just make sure you put your destination, your country. So I'm in the US, and then just click I have agreed and then submit order. Once you go over here, you're gonna either want to do credit card, or you can top up your balance going over here, selecting how much you'd want, and then confirming, and then you can go ahead and pay for that. But I usually just use credit card. It's the simplest way. You just put your details in, it's going to bring you to this page, and you would check out using this. Well, after you place your order, you can go to order on your order tab, and it'll be like right here. For example, this, I just ordered it 2 days ago or a day ago, and now I have a notification right here where it says seller sent. And then, for example, once this arrives, I'll have a QC photo, so like this. So these QC is quality check for anyone that doesn't know, and it'll show up right here. They'll give you 5 pictures for free, depending on what the item is. For sure, I think they give more, but yeah, 3 pictures for these glasses that I bought, and it'll give you a notification once it's stored. And then once you're ready to ship, you can go ahead and go to your warehouse. It'll show up in this warehouse tab, and you'll be able to ship an item. So for example, let's say I want to ship out these bracelets. It's going to give me an estimated weight, and then I can go here to available, and I can choose which mailing I want to use. So the most popular one is HNEMS. This is USPS. For other countries, it's different, so choose which one's the best for you and your situation. But I usually choose HNEMS, or if I want to go cheaper, I can go with the HNEUB. This is also USPS. So let's go with the HNEMS. Click confirm, and we can choose simple packaging or carton box. If we go with simple packaging, it'll make it cheaper, and if we go with the carton, it's going to be a little bit more expensive. But if you want your items to be in good quality, I'd suggest the carton box. So let's select that, and then right here I'll do system declare and USD, and for each kg it's $12 in the US. So for example, if you want to ship out a 10 kg haul, you'd put 120. For this instant, we have the total weight as 319 grams. So just since it's not even a kg, we're gonna put it for 12 bucks and add some random cents at the end. After that, you accept the risk, and you also have the option to buy insurance if you'd like. And just in case you guys wonder, if your haul gets seized or anything, you'll get all your money back. So and it's only $1.55. And then for a discount code, I like to use my boy Nick's code. So use code Nick and it'll give you a little discount. And then after that, you would just click submit parcel. Everything's right, submit, and then you would have your payment methods, and you can pay with card, Stripe Pay, or any other methods. And yeah, once you ship it out, it'll be on its way. They'll pack it up for you. But yeah, that's just a quick tutorial on everything that you'd need to know. So for your orders, all your ordered things will be here. Even if they're stored, everything will be in here. All your orders and all the ordering. Warehouse is where all your stuff is stored. So once you have things that are stored, it'll show up here with pictures of the items. And then on rehearsal, if you'd like, you can select items and they'll pre-package it for you, and they'll have it right here in this section, basically, so it gives you an accurate price on your shipping. And then for your parcel, it'll show all your parcels that are going out to you. So all these parcels have been shipped and received. I've received all my hauls and never gotten seized. But yeah, and also if you have any inquiries, it'll show up right here. Also, if you have any problem with any order ever, you can contact your agent, and you can type it right here asking whatever. If you want like a return, Pandabuy does offer returns up to like I think 3 days or something like that. Also, once your item is stored, it will be able to be stored for about I think they store it for 90 days for free, and then you can extend your storage after that. So yeah, that's a brief overview of like how to use Pandabuy. Oh, and one more thing, in the home there's a bunch of products here for you to look through, and yeah, it's just a bunch of products that people have been looking at. You can find a lot of stuff on here, so my recommendation would be to look on here and on Fashion Reps for all your replica needs. And also, if you have any other questions about Pandabuy, leave them down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.